Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. I hope you all are doing well. Today's makeup look is this glam look for this year's holiday season 2020. I had created a last moment makeup look earlier. If you want to see, I will mention it in the description and at the end screen. But for now, let's get into this video. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then stay tuned till the end of this video. As always, I have already moisturized my face very well with my Pond's moisturizer, and now I am applying some lip balm. This is from Vaseline. Now that our face is nicely prepped, I am using my Glamglow Illuminating Moisturizer, and this I will be concentrating on the highest points of my face. For the primer today, we are going to use Touch in Soul No Poreblem primer. This is a silicone based primer and I will be using this on the T-zone of my face. This will help me to blur out my pores and also keep my oils away. For my eyebrows today, I am going to use my NYX Tame Frame Brow Pomade, and I will be outlining as well as filling in the sparse area with the same pomade. And now we will begin with our eye makeup. For that, I will use my Imagic Galaxy Shine palette. I have already done a review on this, so I will mention it at the end screen for you guys. For our transition today, I am going to take the shade Toffee and I will define my crease area. This matches my skin tone, so it won't be that visible. Next, we are going to take that shade called Watermelon and I will start building up my crease shade. Then I am going to take a flat blending brush like this, and from the palette I am taking the shade Carnival and I will deepen my crease area slowly. Now taking that shade Berry and I will further deepen my crease area because we are going to do a cut crease, so we need a good depth. Taking the shade Claret and I will place it just on the outer V of my lid area and I will blend it and diffuse it nicely. Next, taking that black shade from the palette and I will place it over the shade Claret, and this will give me a nice depth. And with that same old blending brush, I will blend in the edges of that black shade. Now I will clean my lid area for my cut crease with a micellar water, and now I am taking a lighter concealer shade. You can use any that you have in your vanity and I will cut my crease. Taking the mixture of shade Claret and Carnival, I will diffuse the edges of that black. Next, I am taking the shade Poppy and I will place it after that shade we had used earlier. Then we are using the shade Flamingo. This is a nice neon pink shade. It might look very light on the camera, but this has a good pigmentation. Finally, I am going to end the cut crease with the shade called Pearl and I will place it to my inner corner of my eyelid area. Color correcting darkness on my face with Milani concealer. This matches with my skin tone perfectly and I am blending it out with my finger. The warmth of my finger will melt the product and it will look seamless. For the foundation today, we are using NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Foundation. As the name suggests, it is a kind of dewy foundation. This will give you a nice medium to buildable coverage. You can build it up according to your choice. Now I will be doing some highlighting, concealing, and for that I will use my Flower Beauty in the shade Medium, and I will place it on the T-zone and under my eyes and blend it out with a sponge. Next, for my cream contour today, I will be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I will be working in batches because this tends to dry up pretty quick, and being winter it dries out more quickly. So I will be contouring the hollows of my cheeks, the jawline, the forehead and the sides of my nose, and I will blend it out with a sponge again. Now trying to hide that extra double chin that you all can see with the same concealer, doing some reverse contour, and I will place the concealer just below the hollows of my cheeks and blend it out with the sponge, and this will give me a nice chiseled look. For the liquid highlighter today, we are going to use the Balm Cosmetics Bonnie Luminizer. This has a nice golden undertone to it and it blends out perfectly without texturizing your skin. So I will be using this on the higher points of my face. To set that reverse contour that we had used with the concealer, I will be using my Rimmel translucent loose powder. Now it's time to set those contoured areas, so I will be bronzing up my skin. Bronzing and contouring are two different things, and I'm going to bronze up the face with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep. Time for some highlighter, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I will be setting that liquid highlighter that we have used earlier. It's time to bring back some flush of color to the apples of our cheeks, and I'm using my e.l.f. blush palette. Now with my Miss Claire glitter liquid eyeliner, I will be defining the cut crease area. Time to do a lower lash line. Taking that black shade, I'll place it on the 1/3 of my lash line. Then taking that claret, I will place it after that black, and then taking that shade Poppy, I will place it after claret. Now taking that mocha shade from the palette, and I will smudge out and smoke out all the three shades that we have used. With that same Wet n Wild highlighter, I will be applying it on my brow bone and inner tear duct area, lining the top and bottom waterline with my Balm Cosmetics Mr. Right Kajal, curling the eyelashes to make it ready for the mascara. For the mascara today, we are going to use my most favorite Essence Volume Stylist mascara. This will give me a nice volume and length to both my top and bottom lashes. Finishing off with a setting spray from Colourpop. This will melt away all the powder and cakiness on my face. Lining my lips with my Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Cherry Brown. Then applied some liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild in the shade Give Me Mocha. And here is the completed look.